Hello student, I hope you all are happy and enjoying the mathematics. Today we will solve the question from chapter 4 linear equation in two variable. The first question is draw the graph of each of the following linear equation. The first part x minus y equal to x plus y equal to 4, right? My dear student, we required minimum two solution to draw the graph of any linear equation. We will prefer the least value of x and y and 0. Let us start. If I will put x equal to 0, I will get y equal to 4. If I will put x equal to y equal to 0, I will get x equal to 4, right? So it can be written as x y x0 x0 y4 y0 x4. Let us see how to draw the graph of this linear equation. Okay, x plus y equal to 4, right? As we have find x y x0 y4 y0 x4, right? Means we can take the measurement 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So therefore the first point for this graph 4 comma 0, this is 4 comma 0, 1 2 3 4, 4 comma 0, and second point 0 comma 4, x0 means abscissa is 0 and ordinate is 4, x0 y4, this one 0 comma 4. If I will join these 2 points, as you know that line haven't any endpoint, so this is the graph of required line. So similarly, my dear student, you can draw the graph of rest of the equation. Now come to the question number second. Given the equation of two lines passing through 2 comma 14, how many more such lines are there and why? Right? My dear student, we have given that the equation line passing through the 2.40, 2 comma 14. Okay, you can write let such lines are in the form of x plus y equal to k, right? You will put x equal to 2 and y equal to 14, 2 plus 14 equal to k, and k equal to 14 plus 2, 16. Therefore, the one line which passes through 2 comma 14 is x plus y equal to 16. Like as you can write one more line. Let us suppose 2x plus 3y equal to k. Put x equal to 2, y equal to 14. X equal to 2, 2 into 2 plus y equal to 14, 3 into 14 equal to k. 2 to the 4 and 14 3 is 42 equal to k, and k equal to 46. So therefore 2x plus 3y equal to 46. Therefore 2x plus 3y equal to 46. 6. This is the required lines. Okay. The question is given here, how many such lines are there and why? There are many lines because from one point, the line which passes through the 1.2 comma 4, we can draw many lines. Many line can passes through a single point, right? Come to the question number 3. If the point 3 comma 4 lie on the graph of the linear equation 3y equal to ax plus 7, find the value of a. My dear student, we have given that 3 comma 4 is lie on the graph of this linear equation, means it is the solution of this given equation, right? So the value of x and y, which is 3 and 4, will satisfy to this given equation. So you will put x equal to 3 and y equal to 4. X equal to 3 and y equal to 4 in this equation. 3 into 4 equal to a into 3 plus 7. 4 3 is 12 equal to 3a plus 7. 3a equal to 12 minus 7. 3a equal to 5. A equal to 5 by 3. Hence, it is the required value of a. Question number 4. The taxi fare in a city is as follow. For the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8, and for the subsequent distance, it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking distance cover as x kilometer and total fare as y. Write a linear equation for this information and draw its graph. My dear student, we have given that the total fare is denoted by y, and fare of 1 kilometer is given you rupees 8, means first kilometer fare is rupees 8 and total distance is given you x. So therefore y equal to means total fare equal to fare of first kilometer plus remaining kilometers are x minus 1, and fare of for a remaining kilometer, fare of 1 kilometer is rupees 5. So fare of x minus 1 kilometer, x minus 1 into 5. Now you can solve y equal to 8 plus 5x minus 5. Y equal to 8 minus 5, 3 plus 5x. 3 plus 5x. This is your required equation. Now you can draw the graph y equal to 3 plus 5x. Okay. This equation can also write as y equal to 3 plus 5x. As you know, dear student, we require 2 points to draw the graph. Okay. Let x equal to you will put x equal to 2, then y equal to 3 plus 5 into 2 equal to 13. Y equal to 13. If you will put x equal to 3, then y equal to 3 plus 5 into 3. 5 3 is a 15 and 15 plus 3 18. Y equal to 80. Now you can draw its graph. You can assume 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit in your graph paper, right? One measurement, 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So first one is 2 comma 13. Abscissa is 2 and ordinate is 13. Abscissa is 2, ordinate is, that is in distance and y-axis is 13. Therefore this point represents 2 comma 13, right? 2 comma 13, 2 comma 13. Second one, abscissa is 3, ordinate is 18. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Ordinate is 18. So therefore, coordinate of point, this point, let us suppose this is point A, this is point B. Coordinate of point B is 3 comma 18. Now you will join these 2 points. By help of the scale, you will get a required line. And this line must be straight. Right? This is the graph of the equation y equal to 3 plus 5x. Question number 5. From the choice given below, choose the equation whose graphs are given in figure A and figure B. For figure A, y equal to x plus y equal to 0, y equal to 2x, and 2 plus 3y equal to 7. Right? Out of these 4, whose graph is this? We have to show. 3 points are highlighted in a given graph. Right? Okay. Out of these 4 equations, which will satisfy these 3 points, this will be the graph of these equations only. I will put these 3 points one by one in all 4 equations. Right? Let us suppose I am putting in equation number second. If I will put x equal to minus 1, y equal to 1, I will get right hand side 0. So therefore, minus 1 comma 1 is the solution of given equation. I will put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, I am getting right hand side 0. So therefore, 0 comma 0 is the solution for a given equation x plus y equal to 0. If I will put x equal to 1, y equal to minus 1, I will get right hand side 0. So therefore, 1 comma minus 1 is the solution of a given equation. Since all these 3 points are being satisfying, so this graph is the graph of equation x plus y equal to 0. Now, for figure B, we have given also the 4 equation, the equation which will satisfy these 3 highlighted points, right? So this will be a graph for this equation only. Okay, let us see. Let us suppose I am putting these 3 solution in equation number 3rd, right? My dear student, you will put in all and you will check, right? Because I have already checked, so I am putting in equation number 3rd. If I will put x equal to minus 1, I will get y equal to minus 1 plus 2 equal to 3. I am getting y equal to 3. So this is being satisfying to the equation number 3rd. If I will put x equal to 0, this point for point number 2nd, 0 comma 2, if I will put x equal to 0 minus 0 plus 2, y equal to 2, right? So therefore, 0 comma 2 is the solution of the linear equation number 3rd. Same way I will put x equal to 2, y equal to 0. If I will put x equal to 2, x equal to 2 minus 2 plus 2, y equal to 0. Hence, this is the graph for linear equation number 3rd. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.